You are going to love the 2021 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, fog lights. Inside you'll find driver attention alert system, electronic messaging assistance with read function, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, transmission temperature gauge, multifunction display, child safety locks, power steering, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation. Come take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CarFax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CarFax Buyback Guarantee.